Welcome to MedProU. Whether you're just starting your journey or you're well on your way, our brand new Badge Dash feature makes it easier and more fun than ever to track your accomplishments. In this quick guide, we'll show you exactly how to view and explore the badges you've earned and how to discover what's next on your learning adventure. Step 1. Log in. Start by logging into your account in the MedProU learning platform at www.medpro.university. Step 2. Locate Badge Dash. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down and look to the right side of the page until you see the Badge Dash section. Step 3. View your badge summary. Just below the Badge Dash logo, you'll find a widget that shows your earned badges, displaying the total number of badges you've been awarded and your total points earned. Step 4. Explore your badge details. To dive deeper, click on My Awarded Badges or My Total Points. This will take you to your personalized badges page. Step 5. Review your achievements and see all badges. On the badges page, you'll see a full list of all the badges and points you've earned throughout your journey with MedPro. In the Awarded section, you'll find each badge you've earned. Click on any badge to view its name and description. In the Not Awarded section, you'll see the badges you haven't earned yet. Click on each one to learn its name and the requirements needed to achieve it. Your growth deserves to be celebrated. Every badge you earn is a reflection of your commitment, learning, and progress. Keep striving, keep earning, and keep shining with Badge Dash. Because at MedPro, every step forward is a badge-worthy achievement.